Hello, goddesses. It's Pill Goddess here, and I want to say thank you so much for the 1,400 subscribers. And since we have hit 1,400 subscribers, I am going to be doing a giveaway. And in this giveaway, I am going to be giving away my manifestation journal and my shadow work journal. In order to enter, stay tuned. So first and foremost, I'm going to share the reason to why I created a manifestation journal. Back in 2019, when I started my healing journey as well as my spiritual journey, I had a little bit of issues, not really knowing what to write, how to write my love letters to the universe in script and all that and more. I decided to create a journal that, one, has affirmations in them and multiple sections that have to do with setting your intention, what to let go of, and so much more. And when it comes to the shadow work journal, in that journal, I implemented a lot of prompts that have to do with childhood trauma all the way up into your adulthood. So with that being said, when it comes to manifestation, it is really important to say your affirmations. And when it comes to healing, you have to tap in with that dark side of you, which is your trauma. If you would like to enter to win the manifestation journal with the affirmations in it, as well as the shadow work journal, please pay attention to the image that is coming up right now. This is all the information that you need to do in order to enter, and all of the links and everything will be in description below. Good luck, goddesses. Love you. Bye.